Costly Medicaid planning myths. New York families still believe planning for Medicaid in New York can feel overwhelming, but it's a critical step for protecting what you've worked so hard to build. Many families unknowingly rely on bad information that puts their home, savings, and future care at risk. Understanding the truth behind these myths can make all the difference for you and those you care about. Medicaid planning in New York is governed by strict rules that affect eligibility, asset protection, and future estate recovery. The law imposes a 5-year look-back period for nursing home Medicaid, reviewing asset transfers during that time. Starting in 2025, there will also be a 30-month look-back period for community-based services such as home care. If assets were transferred within these windows, penalties can apply, delaying access to benefits. Certain assets are exempt, such as a primary residence with equity under $1,097,000. Spousal rules allow the non-applicant spouse to retain up to $157,920 in assets. Understanding these legal parameters is essential because mistakes like gifting assets too late or relying on a will to shield property can trigger penalties or estate recovery claims. Many families in New York believe they have too much money to qualify for Medicaid, but eligibility is broader than most realize. In 2025, an individual can have up to $1,800 in monthly income and $32,396 in assets while still qualifying. Married couples can have $2,433 in monthly income and $43,781 in assets. With proper planning, such as using pooled income trusts, you may still maintain eligibility. Another common misconception is thinking that giving away a home or savings to children is the best way to qualify. Transfers made within 5 years can trigger ineligibility periods, and gifting property can create large capital gains taxes for heirs. Safer strategies, like Medicaid asset protection trusts or life estate deeds, can help preserve a legacy without violating Medicaid rules. A Medicaid asset protection trust, known as a MAPT, is a vital process for many families. Once assets are placed in a MAPT, they are no longer counted for Medicaid eligibility after the look-back period passes. Although you can no longer access the principal, you may still receive income, and you retain control over how the assets are distributed after your passing. Timing is crucial, as the trust must be established well before Medicaid is needed. This proactive step keeps your home and savings safe from estate recovery, giving your family security and peace of mind. If you are facing decisions about long-term care, it's wise to seek guidance from a lawyer who understands these regulations. An attorney familiar with New York Medicaid rules can help you structure a plan that fits your needs. Working with a law firm experienced in this area can prevent costly errors and protect your financial future. For clear direction and support, reach out to Schlessel Law PLLC at 516-574-9630, located at 34 Willis Avenue, Suite 300, Mineola, New York, 11501, United States.